There are more than 10 species of lilies reported from the Japanese archipelago, and these have become an important foundation for the rearing of horticultural cultivars. The lily's large flowers stand out in any floral display. These flowers have been derived from lilies native to Japan. From spring to summer, a variety of lilies can be seen at flower shops. The majority of these are derived from lilies produced in Japan. The golden-banded lily is distributed from the Kii Peninsula to northern Honshu. It is a splendid lily, whose large flowers exceed 20 centimeters in diameter. It is the species that has become the core of the Oriental hybrid. Here is a horticultural variety produced from hybrids of the golden-banded lily and the Japanese pink lily. Its refined pink flower color is particularly eye-catching. Here is a natural hybrid known as Izu lily. A large lily with many flowers, it strongly exhibits the golden-banded lily's qualities. Japanese pink lily is distributed from the southern part of northeast Honshu through parts of Shikoku and Kyushu, and prefers bright areas like Japanese pampas grass plains and forest edges. Recently, however, it has all but disappeared. It is an elegant, pink-flowered species. Small in overall stature, the Jinnyo lily is a specialized species found only in the serpentine rocky area of Shikoku, in the southern part of the Japanese pink lily's range. The flower petals are small in size and narrow. The Jinnyo lily has been designated a natural heritage species and is rigorously protected. The rose lily is distributed north of the Japanese pink lily's range, in the heavy snowfall belt along the Sea of Japan. Although its flowers are small, their deep pink color is quite beautiful. The upright lily is a rare species known only from Amami Island. Its large, pure white flowers have made it vital to developing cultivars. Although the Tomahto Lily is known from the Tokara Islands, it appears to be extinct in the wild. Oriental hybrids, cultivated primarily from the golden-banded lily, are a group characterized by the large flowers, strong scent, and their pink or red flower color, which is derived from anthocyanin pigments. The famous pure white Casablanca cultivar is also said to be related to the Tomahto or upright lily. Elegant flower colors in cultivars derived from the Japanese pink lily and rose lily are also often seen. The showy lily, which grows in western Japan, Shikoku, and Kyushu, is a hardy lily that blooms in midsummer. A number of varieties are known. This one, called Taki lily, is distributed in the hilly regions of Shikoku. This is a type of showy lily, known as Shimakanoko lily, often seen in bright Japanese pampas grass plains on the west coast of Kyushu. It forms large populations. There are various cultivars of showy lily. Here is a white variety. Maxim lily is an ordinary species distributed in Japan from Hokkaido to Amami Island. It resembles tiger lily, but is smaller and is diploid with 12 chromosomes. The flowers are often vermilion or red, but there is a yellow clone as well, called Tomahto Lily. As it is diploid and fruiting, swallowtail butterflies will visit the flowers. Originally produced on the Chinese mainland, tiger lily was brought to Japan for food, and naturalized populations are now often seen growing around houses. Being triploid, it is sterile, but rare diploid lineages are also known. It is sterile but can be propagated via bulbils formed at the leaf bases. Large colonies reproduced from these bulbils are also seen. Wheel lily is an unusual lily whose leaves resemble wheels. It is distributed in cold, mountainous regions from Siberia and Hokkaido to Shikoku. Even when it blooms, snow can be seen on the mountains in the background. Siebold's lily is a small flowered lily species found on grassy plains. It is known from Kyushu to the central part of the Chinese mainland, but is not common. As its flowers are small, it does not receive much horticultural attention. Star lily is distributed from the Chinese mainland to Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. Flower color varies from red to yellow, but like Siebold's lily, it is not regarded very highly for horticulture because of its small flowers. The Asiatic hybrids is a group bred primarily from the tiger lily. In contrast to the Oriental hybrids, the red to yellow flower color is dependent on carotenoid pigments, and they lack a strong fragrance. Candlestick or Siberian orange lily is distributed in cold regions from Northeast Asia to Hokkaido. It is called the Tsukashi lily, as it has crevices within its upward-facing, vessel-like flowers. It is abundant on the coast, but is also seen in inland mountainous areas. Closely resembling the Siberian orange lily, Tsukashi lily is seen in coastal areas from the northern and central part of Honshu. It is distinguished from inland lineages like Yamatsukashi lily and Miyamatsukashi lily, but they are all closely related. These cultivars produced from Siberian orange lily share characteristics of those from tiger lily, like carotenoid-derived vermilion and red flower color, and lack of fragrance, but they are classified as Asiatic hybrids. The former's flowers bloom facing up, in a vessel-shaped configuration. When the white trumpet lily, a pure white endemic of the Ryukyu Islands, was introduced to Europe in the 19th century, it was adopted by Christianity as a symbol of purity. In the subtropical Ryukyu Islands, it grows vigorously from the coral reef-lined coasts to inland roadsides. The Longiflorum hybrid group of cultivars was created from selected lineages of the white trumpet lily and Taiwan's takasago lily. Fast-growing and with many flowers, it is a strong group of lilies. A Occurring in Yakushima, the northernmost point at the White Trumpet Lily's range, this plant, although small, had large, vigorously blooming flowers.